Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another rare plant unboxing. So it is Thursday afternoon. I'm in the middle of teaching a bunch of classes. I taught 4 classes this morning. I'm about to teach another 3 classes tonight and head to Las Vegas with Ebby. So it's a very busy, long day for me. And the construction is going on next door, so bear with me. In this video I wanted to do another plant unboxing. So the package arrived yesterday as I was leaving for my night classes last night. So what I did was I pretty much just opened the box up so the plant could breathe, and then I waited till right now to do the unboxing the next day. So let's see what the plant looks like. If you guys love unboxing videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Upcycled Amazon box, and I do that too. So because I order a lot from Amazon, I'll try to upcycle the boxes too as well. So here is what the inside of the package looks like. So let's see. Okay, so there's some mixture of like foam and air bubbles. So I don't want to make a mess, but look what they did here. They packaged my plant here, and they have the root system wrapped in bubble wrap and then taped to the box so it doesn't move around. So without damaging the plant. It's a cutting, and hopefully in the future as it grows on me, it'll fill itself out. So hopefully in the future the plant will take into a better shape, but for now it is a rooted cutting. I'm actually interested to see what the root system looks like. So it looks like there's some moss here, and then I'm not going to ruin anything else, but I'm going to take the tape off really carefully so I don't ruin the plant. And let's check out what's going on here. So I don't want to make a mess, but let's go ahead and see what's going on. So here is my beautiful variegated Monstera. This is the Albo version, and there's a bunch of them. I think there's like 7 different variegated Monstera, and I'm slowly making my way through the variegated Monsteras and collecting them. And for right now, where the plant community is, the plant world is, if you're in the US, if you're trying to get these plants right now, they're very expensive. And I've seen plants like this go up to like $1,000. So let's see here. I think the root system looks pretty good. It looks like it was in water, and as you can see, there's a cut that was made right here. So it doesn't look that bad. And then here is what the leaf pattern looks like up close. So both of them have splits. And I'm gonna see if it can fit in the same size planter as my 2 Thai constellations so they can be all cohesive. Here's the pot. Is your root system too big? Aha, it is. All right, let me get a bigger pot. Okay, you gonna help mommy? I have this pot as an option, and it is really big. These are the same pots that I put my rare philodendrons in when they got bigger. I have 2 more left empty. So when I sized up the root system, I mean, it's a really big planter for such a small plant, but the roots are so big. So I think I'm gonna just maybe leave it as is, because when I put the plant in here, like the root goes down pretty far down in there and it's still sticking up. So you know what, I'm just gonna let it be. I'm gonna use this. I guess I'm gonna use all of the soil in the Tiffany blue bin. So let me cover the bottom. Just want to set it up for success before I head out of town. What do you guys think? So pretty. Abby, what are you doing? Okay, I guess it used all of the soil. I think that looks pretty good. I mean, I could put a little bit more soil in there, or I could just hide the roots more, but I think this is going to be it. If anything, I'll put more soil in here, but let me just press it down so I can get it to stand up nicely. Okay. Wow, I didn't expect to use such a big pot. As you can see, the pot I had was the same size pot as the other two Thai constellations, but this Monstera root is really big. So here is the final look. Well, I guess I don't have to move this plant at all. It's gonna live in here its entire life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. I definitely wanted to go ahead and get this plant unboxed and set up before I head to Las Vegas tonight. And I'm looking forward to coming back to my collection in a handful of days next week to see how the variegated babies are. Sound off in the comments down below if you have any variegated monsteras. What kind do you have? Are you collecting them? What do you think about plant life and the prices that people are paying for plants, especially in the US? I know they're a lot cheaper out of the US, but right now the plant community is crazy, and rare plants or plants that aren't readily available are really expensive. So it's interesting. Well, we'll see, you know, when next year comes around, when there's more people that has these variegated rare plants, if prices are going to go down or is it going to continue to stay really high. But nonetheless, I am a plant enthusiast collector, and this is definitely something that I've been wanting in my collection. So I'm glad I have it finally in my hands. And stay tuned. Here's like the full 360 of it, and I hope to see some new growth in the future. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell, subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we'll see if I film any Las Vegas content. I definitely want to do what I gave my plant friend for her birthday for Kira in Las Vegas, because I'm giving her some plant babies. And I love to share that on the channel. So that might be the next video. I'll be seeing her in 2 days. So I'll see you guys then. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye.